Hello everyone, this is KC868 IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to use the traditional switch panel to let it become smart. Like this switch. This is up and down will be locked. And if we use this one, this is self-reset. This have already used in our system. But sometimes your home and some people have asked me whether the old switch can't remove. And if you can't find the self-reset switch of like the EU stand or American stand, so many different ship. So I think you can use your old switch. Also can, like this switch I have connected to the controller. You can turn on, and the light and the PC software will see the state and turn off the light. So this is the traditional switch panel. This video, I will tell you the solution, how to use this relay controller and the COL logic controller. Let your traditional switch panel become smart. Okay, let's begin how to do this. When we use the switch panel is self-reset type, we use this switch terminal board. This switch terminal board work with this switch. Now we not use this switch terminal board and this type of the switch. We use the traditional, this one, like this size and this size, these two size. And there are three holes, the COM and the normal open and the normal close. If your switch have only two holes, the COM and the normal open, it also can be used. I just choose this one because later I will show you how to use two switches to connect one lamp. And in this way, I have used the network cable, the KC868 cable. I have connected to the every channel. This is the 3 button. This 3 button, I have connected use the KC868 network cable. You can see this, the whole new KC868 network cable. It have opened the box. It's very long. This is the new package. So I use this whole lines. Connect the switch and will detect the length. This is 300 meters. The new package is 300 meters. So this is the line, two sides. It's one side and another side. These two sides have connected the switch panel and the COL's digital input. This is one side, and this is another side from this cable to this digital input. The 3 switch button, I have used digital in 1, digital in 2, and digital in 3, 3 points. And this is a COL logic controller, have connected the 32B relay controller by this RS232 cable, so it can work without internet or is running on the local time. And at this point, I have connected with the temperature sensor. And I have opened this tablet, the software, because this screen computer is large size. It's for easy to see this clearly. You can also install the program on your tablet, on the wall, or open this software on the computer. And we can see the state and the button from the lamp output, and this is 2 lamp. Every channel, we can see every channel have 3 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. But I just use the 2 line, like this button 1. I just like this and this one, just common and normal open. These 2 points. When you found the normal open and the COM, you just use these 2 lines to connect the switch 1. And also we can find the switch 2 and switch 3, the normal open and the COM just all connect to the digital input. When you complete the digital input, we just open the COL software. We can open the software and connect and modify the FTTT command. We can create the first number 1. We can edit, and this means when I button 1, this is digital input, button 1, and this is for the power is up to down or down to up. We can choose this one, and at the second time we can choose that one. We can choose this one and hold on 10. Just your button have up for what second? We can 0.1 second. Just when I press after 0.1 second will be trigger. We can add to if. And now we can set the then command. Just if the input 1 is trigger for the 0.1 second, then we can do the action is we can set the relay 1, and the action is not open and close. Choose this one, toggle. This means change the state. When your before state is on, now will be off. When your before state is off, now will be on. We can add to the then. Okay, then we just apply. And this is the first command we have created. But your switch button will have 2 states, is up and down. So we can create the number 2 FTTT command. We can also just select this digital input. This time we choose the second one. This means when the switch button is down, we can change the relay state 0.1 second at, and then we can also change the relay 1 and toggle and to then we can apply. Okay, now we can see the software. We can see the switch 1. When I press, you can see the lamp is on and the switch button state on the software is changed. When I press this, the switch is off, and this also is off. And also the network cable, I have let the controller connect with our cloud server. So you can also use the mobile phone application to control this relay. You can see I have controlled this relay. We can launch, and there are many our controller. I have go to this one. You can see the relay state, and I use the 4G, not use the Wi-Fi. This is for demo show you. This is by cloud server for remote control. This is 4G. So when I open, you can see the relay is on and the software state is on. And when I close, when I press on, okay, now you can see the switch. When I press, will be off. At this time, if I use the mobile phone, it turns the light off. The light off. And this time, when I press the key 1, down, and this is also can be the light is on. So the switch is on, off, just changing the state. You can see when I press any position, it can change the relay state. And this also can see the state of the input point. And this is for the lamp output. So you can just control by the mobile phone and control by the PC software. All the state will be updated, and the switch just on change the different state. Okay, this is channel 1. Now we can set the FTD command for the channel 2 and channel 3. It's also very easy. Now we can off, close all, and now we can edit the FTD command of the 3 because the 2 FTD command have used for the button 1. And the 3 we can add the input key 2, and also we can press this time and press then. I can relay 2 and talking and apply, and we can also edit 3, the 4, relay 2, and choose this triangle type and 0.1 second, and change the relay 2, talking, add, and apply. Okay, now we can see this window again. When I press the button 2, you can see the button 2 and the lamp 2 is on, and also I press lamp 2 is off. Also, I can use the mobile phone to turn on and turn off. Okay, now we can edit the 3. 3 we can use this lamp, 220 voltage lamp on. Just as this same way, 3 is 5. Edit button 3 and 0.1, and we can. I have connected the lamp to 25 relay. We just change 25 relay and talk, and then apply, and the 6 edit the 3 and change the type, and then 25 talk, apply. Okay, now we can test the button 3. You can see the lamp is on, and also we can use this mobile phone, 25, and open 25 and close, and open and close. Okay, this is how to use one switch to control the lamp, and by this traditional version switch. If you want to use 2 switch buttons to control one lamp, there are 2 ways. The way 1 is you just add this button to the another digital input, but this will cost 2 channels of the switch button to the digital input. Another way is you can let these 2 switch buttons connect the normal open and normal close LAN together. Just use one channel to the input, the digital input. If you want to switch control one lamp, because this is a switch, normal open and normal close, these are 2 switch. We just use the line connect to this 2 point, and this is the lamp, and this is the power. This is the circuit as you before. This is 220 voltage. Also, well, in your country is 110 voltage. Just 2 cans. Now at this time, we just cut this one and cut this one, and this is our COL logical controller. You just use these 2 lines, this 2, 1, this place, and this is 2, this place. This is digital in, such as digital in 1. And you can also use digital in 2 or 3. So you just choose these 2 lines and connect to the digital in this place. Okay, let's begin wiring this for our practice. Now we can see this switch button. We can see this is for the hole. These 2 holes is the thing. This is COM, and normal open and normal close. We just insert this button. This is no screw. Okay, we have completed the wiring. This yellow is the normal open and normal close, and this red is the common. This is common, one common. This is common, and this is 1, and this is 1. So we have connect. Now we can just for our test. This is relay. We can open the relay and close the relay. And we can also open this relay and close the relay, and open and close, and open and close. So we can use any switch buttons controlling 1 lamps. Also, we can use this mobile phone to control like this, and the PC. We can use the tablet or the PC. We can click the mouse, open and close, and open. This is how to use this traditional switch button to control the lamp. Okay, this is the traditional switch panel to control the thin lamp, turn on and turn off. And also you can use the PC software and the mobile phone by the 4G or Wi-Fi for the remote control. Thanks for watching.